For me, as example, longevity, we have similar story, so I think it deserves because it's a great example for this generation, old generation, the generation is going to come, so it deserves.
Because your relationship actually goes back quite a few years. I know you've been seen watching Novak play tennis. So where did you first meet?
It's a good question. Yeah, we go back a long time. You know, when he was playing in Real Madrid, he would be coming to watch the tournament at Madrid tournament, and obviously for us, every time he shows up, it would be an added pressure, but also an inspiration to try to do our best. You know, obviously he was, you know, ruling the world at that time, and he still keeps on going. So, you know, I'm very thankful to hear these words from him, and also thankful to call him a friend and someone that really inspires me as well. You know, well, not to repeat his words, but it's really the same way for me. You know, when I still wake up in the morning and I try at 38 to find motivation after playing the highest level of professional tennis for more than 20 years, and your body is aching and you're questioning whether, you know, you want to keep going after you achieved, you know, everything, and very blessed to achieve everything in this sport. And then you see the examples of Cristiano, you know, and what he's been trying to do. So as he mentioned, there's a lot of similarities, a lot of parallels that we can draw, and really, in a sense, even though we are not part of the same sport, but we're kind of pushing each other. You know, that's how it feels, and I think we are also showing to the future generations that there is no limit.